This snail from the shell. You can put again. So you can use snail to make stew. Say hi guys. Say hi guys. Say hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If today is your first time clicking, my name is Treasure and I have two lovely kids. One of them here disturbing me. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how to clean snails. So here is my snail. Sure. Here is my snail. Oh, this one even lay egg. Oh. Woo! Guys, have you seen the egg? See, some snails lay egg. Look at the Oyibo snails. The Oyibo is even up to 3. Oh, see Oyibo snail. See, 1, 2. See, this one came out from the shell. Jesus. 3. It's like the big one ate the small one. Oh, see. So let's get started. So guys, these are my snails. Now I'm going to break it. This one is gone already. So guys, so I'm going to break the snails. See these ones, they're moving. Come and show the ones that are moving. Show this one, bring the camera down. Show it, see this one. See the Oyibo. See Oyibo snail. So, yeah. So I'll break it like this. This one is big.
This one is big. Let me see.
Oh, look at this small one lay egg. See, look at the egg inside. Look at another one that lay egg. Look at egg. Look at the egg inside. So now I'll remove from the shell.
That is snail. That come and bite you. Eh? That will come and bite that my daddy.
No. No, dear.
Okay, that dinosaurs. Eh?
Mama, be quiet.
I know what to bite to be quiet.
So I'm removing the poo-poo also. I'm removing this one is the urine sac. I'm removing the intestine also. There is another method of removing this snail from the shell. You can remove it without breaking the shell at all. If you check my previous videos, you will watch how to remove it without breaking the shell. See how big is this one?
Look at this one.
See how big this one is. Very big.
Very big.
Sorry, Mama. See this one. Look at the egg. Look at the egg. Look at the egg. I don't eat the egg. Oh. Some people can eat it. Some people eat the egg.
We eat the egg.
Will you eat the egg?
No, that is poo-poo.
It's poo-poo you don't want to eat?
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe
do you want to eat?
Sindo is like a tattoo. Sindo is like a dress. You see how it's crush and spider. Eh? And spider. Yes, today we will come again. Yes, today.
Okay. So it's time to clean it.
It's time to clean it.
Oh, Mama, keep the salt here. Give me. Put it here. Can you open it? You add salt. Mama, put salt for me.
Okay.
Add plenty. I need more.
No.
Put again. Put again. So guys, this is salt. I'll use it to clean it first. Guys, can you see the slime? When you put salt, this is what you get. So you clean it with salt first before you use any other thing to clean it. Mama, dip that salt. Dip the spoon. So you can use snail to make stew, use it to cook any meal. You can use it to cook soup. I'm going to use mine to cook soup, afam soup. Look at this slime. Look at this. Look at this. Have you seen the slime?
Yes. That's snail.
Slime.
Yes.
Slime. This is slime.
Yes.
Let me try.
Not try. Let me try. It's something I had for meat.
Let that soak.
Yes. Let that soak. Because it's
So guys, I'll discard this one. So now this is alum. I'll use alum to clean it again. This is alum. Put it, and then I'll add water. I have added water. So I'll wash it like this with the alum. The alum is inside the water. Look at it. So now I will divide and remove the head. I'll remove the head. I don't eat the head. I'll divide it like this, and then I'll remove the head of the snail. Look at it. Sorry. Oh, yeah, there. Come back with you. Look at this for a minute. I'm done removing the heads. Look at it. Look at it. I'll wash it again. Make it very clean. Look at them. Look at them. So look at the head here. Look at all of them. Look at it. These are the head, and so I'll discard it. So guys, I'm done cleaning the snails. Look at it. It's very clean. So I'll use it to cook my delicious afang soup. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.